Hey everyone, it's Aaron Morrow here, your local realtor in the greater Seattle area. I'm standing outside of a new construction house that's being currently constructed here. It's in a new construction community built by KB Homes, and this is up the hill from downtown Kent, Washington, in East Hill neighborhood of Kent, Washington, which is in King County. So if you look at the map here, it has easy access to 167, Highway 167. This is a really nice new construction community, and I have a couple of different videos that feature this new construction community on my channel. So this floor plan is called the 2065. Again, a reminder for anyone that's been watching my channel, KB Homes elects to call their different floor plans numbers, and their numbers are actually based on the square footage of the home. Because it's called 2065, that actually means this one is 2,065 square feet. So it's a 2-story home, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. So this one was actually in this community, and it is in multiple locations. You can reach out to me as well, so I can verify that that is still true whenever you are interested, because if you're watching this video at a later date, new construction goes rather quickly. This information goes out of date rather quickly, so please reach out to me so I can make sure that I am giving you the most up-to-date information and help you on your home buying journey. So let's check it out. By the way, the garage is open because they are currently working on this home and I didn't want to disturb them. Without further ado, let's check out this beautiful home. For any of you that watch my channel that's out of towners and you want to know drive times for this area, Kent, Washington, Tacoma to Kent, Washington is anywhere from 30 minutes to over an hour depending on time of day. That's vice versa as well, Kent to Tacoma. Seattle to Kent is anywhere from 25 minutes up to over an hour easily depending on time of day for traffic conditions. And then finally, Bellevue to Kent, Washington, it can be as quick as about 25 minutes, but usually it can be up to over an hour depending on time of day that you're leaving. Rush hour tends to be around 7 to 9 a.m. and 4 to 6 p.m. So the commute can significantly slow down during those times, especially on I-5, I-405, and SR 167. Now, one thing you'll notice is the nice 9-foot tall ceilings and how this open concept space truly brings out this main level here with the kitchen, quartz countertops, and shaker cabinets. Of course, all of these new construction homes come with the soft closing drawers and cabinetry. You'll also notice the luxury vinyl plank, which is that wood look here. Nice backyard here, decent lot size with the green space. One thing I'll point out there is that heat pump for heating and cooling paired with the HVAC system that's inside the house. Love the baseboards of this too. There's a lot of natural light from the back of this home and from the upstairs, as you can see that light bleeding down the stairs there. That's also a really nice fireplace there. Here is the pantry. Decent sized pantry here. Like the mantle. Just a ton of natural light flowing through here. And of course, carpet on the stairs going up to the stairs, wall-to-wall carpet. Carpet felt nice. Obviously, it's a brand new home, so hopefully it does. Again, notice all of the natural light that comes through all these windows. This house actually has a ton of windows, which really helps with the natural light upstairs. And then the 3 bedrooms upstairs. Again, because it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. Here is one of the bedrooms. Check out this back one right here. Just saying hi to you guys. So this is a full bathroom in here. And here is the main bedroom. Main bedroom comes with a spacious room, so ensuite bathroom, has a really nice soaker tub and a walk-in shower, and they're separate, which is nice. Get a look at the tile work there. And then the separate area for the toilet with one of its closing doors. This is pretty popular in new construction now, to have the toilet separate for privacy. Here's a walk-in closet right here. As you can see, there's 2 sinks, really good for the main bathroom. And again, checking out the luxury vinyl plank there, which is very water resistant. Definitely needed for a bathroom. Let me know in the comments what you're thinking about this design or layout, if you're thinking about KB. I said in my other videos, but KB is just such a good builder when it comes to being able to customize, especially if you pick out a lot earlier before the home's built on it. If you pick out a lot to do a pre-sale with them, you basically can choose from a ton of different floor plans. They're only restricted on like the elevation options depending on the lot area, and basically you can put in there whatever you want with a ton of options. Here's the garage, by the way. Nice 2-car garage. So we just looked at the 2065 floor plan. Again, quick reminder, 2-story home. Of course, it's 2,065 square feet. As per the name, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home built by KB Homes. They're done sold for the ones that are in the community for in here in Lamar Ridge. However, they will have more available in future communities in other ones as well. So we'll be able to get you more contact information as we go. So again, my name is Aaron Morrow. I'm a local realtor here in the greater Seattle area. I serve clients at King, Pierce, and Snohomish County. So of course, if you're looking to buy either a new construction home or you're looking to buy or sell a used home in the greater Seattle area, all my contact information is provided. Reach out to me. I would love to be able to help you out.